And the easiest way for now to get an employment is there are so many vultures, the illegal recruitment. And one of these days, I will raise you to the level of a drug problem, and I will take care of you. Sinasabi ko na sa inyong mga recruiter, huwag kayong pumasok dyan. Kapag ako'y naubusan ng pasensya, patayin ko kayo. Simple lang. You know, the repercussions. The wife goes down because of drugs. Itong babae, lalayas na to. Bubugbugin niya na away. Itong dalawa, the eldest girl, 40